Good morning, Connecticut. Now, I hear we've been having some issues over the mountains with the ducks, the geese, and the bears. And see, what I'm thinking is that we just don't let those animals get you down, you know, because ducks, they don't know what they're doing. They're bird brains. Because they're birds. That's why you don't care about the ducks or the geese. Because they're birds. And birds aren't real. So why are you going to listen to what the birds tell you? Because the birds, they always be knocking on your window. Saying silly little things in your ear. Those darn birds knocking on your windows. But you just don't let those birds get to you. Because birds, they're not even there. Just like how you're not even there. And I'm not even there. Because birds, well, I'll let you figure that out. That is so stupid. That's recording random